I'm back. I am finally back from San Francisco. Let me tell you something. San Francisco is a quite interesting place. I had a quite interesting journey, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and why this here Galaxy Note 10 Plus user is willing to trade it all in for a Galaxy Z Flip. Actually, I really want to talk about why the Z Flip is the most innovative, the most attractive phone out of all of the smartphones that released that day, and how it can possibly stack up. Although it doesn't have spec for spec against the S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra or Note 10 Plus, but the most exciting device at that place was the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Let's get into it. Boom. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I know tech so you don't have to. Might as well smash that like button for the algorithm and go ahead and smash the sub button if you want to keep up with that tech, swag, comedic, fun for your boy, support your boy. Yes, likes do support me. And if this video offers a tech experience like you've never experienced on this here platform, consider smashing the sub button. All right, you guys, let's talk about it. The Samsung Z Flip. I got to have hands-on with this puppy. And let me tell you, this bad boy is a bad boy, which means this thing is super fire. This thing is super great. This thing is innovative. This is the most innovative device released at Samsung Unpacked. How can you say that, CJ? You know, we had the S20 Ultra, 108 megapixels. That's cool. But can you fold your 6.7 inch display in half to something that's compact and more favorable for your pocket, and then unfold it when you want to get it popping? Now granted, it doesn't have everything spec for spec. We're not getting stereo speakers, it's just one speaker. Trade-off, yes. You're not getting as much RAM, it's less RAM. Trade-off, yes. You don't have expandable storage. Trade-off, yes. There's a trend here. Yes, there are some trade-offs. But what are you really paying for when you grab a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip? It's the innovation, it's the design. It's a foldable glass screen. Player, they beat everybody to the forefront, even Apple. The fact that it's glass, super thin piece of glass that folds, that's amazing. This is a great time to be alive in tech. I am super grateful. Gratitude to the tech universe. A foldable glass screen, a foldable hinge that's improved to help sweep away degrees. Samsung went back to the drawing board and they improved the hinge that we had on the Galaxy Fold. And I tell you this, 100,000%. This phone isn't a phone that transcends over my review or my hands-on. You have to hold it in your hand, open it, and feel the sturdiness. This thing is legit. That's why I'm super hyped. Like, I felt it. As soon as I had it in my hands and I went to open that thing, I was like, oh, this is real. Samsung legit went back to the drawing board and they got it right, hopefully. I mean, only time will tell, but I have strong confidence in this device and using it and flipping it and opening. And I figured out how to do it with one hand. You just gotta have some, you just gotta have this finger to help contradict this finger. You get that force pull, whatever that scientific term would be for that. But basically, you lifting up, you gotta have something pushing back to get a nice even flip open. But I mastered it while being there. And that only took me a couple minutes of having it in my hand. So anyone who's worried about the single hand use, no, it's not ideal. I did almost drop it a couple of times trying to do it that way. But once I figured out how to do it, I'm confident. So like when I have mine, yes, I play getting the Z Flip. If I could get my hands on one, because they seem to be extremely limited and in small quantities, obviously they're not gonna mass produce a device like that. This is a test. You have to test the market. That's what it's all about. Now, one of the big reasons the Galaxy Z Flip appeals to me is because big phones, right? Big phones. Now, I love the screen on a big phone, especially when it's a beautiful screen like this one on the Note 10 Plus and the beautiful screens that you're getting on the S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. Absolutely amazing. I love them. My only caveat. Do I got back pockets on these pants? I don't have back pocket. Oh, I got one back pocket. Y'all finna see. You know what I mean? Y'all finna look at the dome. You know what I mean? Here is my caveat. How is a player, I carry my phone in my back pocket. Because a phone this big in the front pocket, although yes, it'll be more concealed, it's not comfortable for me. I walk, I move a lot. I'm a very active person, if you haven't noticed. So I like to keep my phones in my back pocket. Yes, they survive, it's okay, but a disclaimer, I'm not telling you to put it in your back pocket. If something happened, it's not my fault. I would absolutely love the ability to take a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, fold it in half, put it in my front pocket, and keep it moving. that would be the ideal phone. Now my bro, Kevin Tech Ninja, you guys know who Kevin the Tech Ninja is, right? He called himself something like Nostradamus, I forgot what he said, Ninja Damas or something like that along that park, but he's predicting a foldable Galaxy Note device. Now there's no guarantee that we'll get that. That'd be crazy if it had a foldable S Pen, right? Fold that joint, whoa, fire. I don't know if that's gonna be in the future, but everyone's talking about the Galaxy Fold 2 and so forth. It could be a possibility. But I think what Samsung is bringing to the market, they have everything. They got budget friendly, not so budget friendly, ball out, and then the ball out, I got the conversations piece because I'm flipping the bad boy open on you. Although yes, the display when you fold it is kind of small, but it still has functionality. You can go into selfie mode and you can tap that display to get from wide to ultra wide, things like that. So you can snap the selfie. You can kind of have some uses while it's in clamshell mode, but yes, the display should have been bigger. You know, bigger display equal bigger price equal more complaints from you technology snobs and people out there who don't understand that the more innovative the tech, the more it's gonna cost, right? Now, I'm not justifying the price, I'm just saying. It is what it is, it's business. Yes, I would love in the future if Samsung so pleasingly does continue to develop these foldable phones, larger, more functional display on the Z Flip, man, that would have been game over. But then the price would have went up and y'all would have been like, oh, it's game over, we not copping, but I probably would have been the one to cop. I'm just saying, I love the idea of foldable phones. Some people dig it, some people don't. I have the practicality of the fact that I want a phone that I can put in my pocket. I like the most minimal carry. That's why I went to the smaller 11 Pro as opposed to the Max. I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as the S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra. I still have time to decide. You guys voted S20 Ultra. I know this is about the Z Flip, but a quick rundown. I had the S20 Ultra in my hand. First couple quick things you notice, the weight of that bad boy. That bad boy is packing some weight. That bad boy is packing a camera hump. And that bad boy is packing some serious features. We'll do another video about that in the future, possibly in hand, in verses and so forth. And I might continue my conversation of the Note 10 Plus S20 Ultra. I see you guys are hardcore Note fans. Yeah, man, I just can't wait till we start figuring out what the Note 20 is gonna be like. It's gonna be nuts. I'm super excited about the Z Flip. Man, this thing is looking super limited, super hard to get. Now, it's only available from AT&T, Sprint, Best Buy, and Samsung, it seems so far. You get it in the unlocked variants or you can get it in carrier versions of AT&T and Sprint. Now, AT&T, it's slim pickings. It's only like 12 stores, 12 cities that's actually getting the physical device at an AT&T store. Not my city, I'm not surprised. When it comes to Best Buy, it's even more of a mystery, but online seems to be the go at 12:01 Eastern AM, 12:01, you know what I mean? So you gotta stay up late tonight. A play ain't sleeping tonight, I'm getting me a Z Flip. And I'm not sure about the Samsung release and stuff. So it's looking like slim pickings in the market, and obviously this is a test run. Early adopters, hop on the board. If there's any issues, it'll be corrected as with the Samsung Fold, but I have a lot of confidence in this device from having hands-on with it. It didn't make me feel questionable in any way, shape, or form. The truth will come once the consumer gets it in their hand and they start doing all of the things that consumers do. So I'm super happy about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Definitely coming to the channel. I just gotta get my hands on one. Samsung, you know what I'm saying, player? I know. I gotta get in line like everybody else online. I gotta stay up, I gotta lose sleep. I gotta get me a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. What about you?